Good day, miss. How are you today?
Good day, sir, madam. I'm Asinet Amarga, 36 years old. I am a single parent with one child. I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters. My father is a fisherman and my mother is a fish vendor. I am a college graduate. I work as a domestic helper in Singapore for 2 years, since September 2010 until September 2012. My major duty was to take care of children, aged 3 years old, 5 years old, and 7 years old.
Okay, can you tell me your daily activities and how you take care of children?
Sir, madam, I have to prepare meals for them and send them to school, play with them and read them storybooks, and I love children very much.
Aside from taking care of children, what are your other duties from your previous employer?
Sir, madam, the other duties from my previous employer are cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, and washing the car.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, sir, madam.
What kind of dishes you can prepare?
Sir, madam, I can prepare Filipino dishes and I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes.
Do you know how to go to market and do the marketing as well?
Yes, sir, madam.
Do you know the responsibilities of being domestic helper?
Yes, sir, madam. The responsibilities of being domestic helper must be hardworking, loyal, be honest, and do all the good things.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Sir, madam, I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is a nice and safe country to all domestic helper. And also, I can help to support my parents. And most of all, for the future of my child.
Okay, do you have any last message for your future employer?
Sir, madam, my message for my future employer is once again, I'm Asinet Amarga. Please choose me and employ me. I can assure you that I will do my best to do my duties and my responsibilities. And I will promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you very much and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. But before we end, kindly show us your best smile.